Kitchen verbs vocabulary in English for kids. Let's start. Blend, blend, blend. Mix, mix, mix. Crush, crush, crush. Chop, chop, chop. Pour, pour, pour. Roll, roll, roll. Fry, fry, fry. Peel, peel, peel. Melt, melt, melt. Grate, grate, grate. Break, break, break. Dip, dip, dip. Cut, cut, cut. Boil, boil, boil. Stir, stir, stir. Cook, cook, cook. Serve, serve, serve. Boil, boil, boil. Blanch, blanch, blanch. Slice, slice, slice.